Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, Microsoft is at it all the time, trying to get people to use Microsoft Edge. And now it's actually trying again, but on mobile devices. And it does it with a promotion. If you invite a friend and that they actually install and use Microsoft Edge, you can earn 500 points and you can earn up to 7,500 points or Microsoft Rewards points per month by, annoying all your friends and saying that they should use Microsoft Edge. So this is kind of interesting. All of these promotions. Remember about, what was it, like 6, 7 months ago, they had this sweepstakes and you could win up to like $2 million or something if you used Edge on a PC and referred friends. Well, now it's on mobile. So this is really Microsoft trying to get people on board Edge, which doesn't really work because it seems that Microsoft Edge is stalled at, like 12% or 10%, isn't really moving or going anywhere. And to make things worse, even though Google Chrome had several things going on that some hated, including deprecation of Manifest v2, which broke some ad blockers and so on. It's not losing ground, so kind of interesting. But hey, they are trying. They are trying. I can just imagine someone getting a annoying message from a friend saying, "Hey, do you want to install Edge and use it for me so I can earn my points on the Microsoft reward?" Oh God. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.